What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we are looking at this SANSI 100 watt RGB LED floodlight. Now, before we get started, this is a paid sponsored video, but that does not change my opinion in any way. For those who have stuck around, you know exactly what I mean. Paid sponsors on this channel are not immune to any kind of criticism. So with that said, I'm gonna give you my honest opinion, whether they're sponsored or not. That's what we're here for. So let's just bust into this. This thing, it has 16 colors. It's got 4 different modes: flash, strobe, fade, and smooth. Oh, whoa, look at those LEDs. Oh my goodness, those are big. It's IP66 rated, so it's totally meant to be outside. You can put this, mount it as a floodlight. Me personally, if I can dim it enough, I plan on using it for some sort of lighting. Kind of like you see that lighting right there? So you got blue right there? Those are just light bulbs. But this could be something really useful for video creation, stuff like that, and lighting and stuff. Oh, also, real quick, there is a 20% off discount code on this. Now, currently, right now on Amazon, it's 5-star rated and it's only 80 bucks. Plus, I got the 20% off coupon down below. Go check that out if you're interested. And we got a 32 key remote. It's got just about everything you could think of. You got on, off, you can change the colors, you got the different modes. I'm guessing these are different modes with presets in it, and then you got the individual colors themselves. I'm not sure what the arrow keys are, but we'll find out. Maybe the instruction manual says something. So the arrows on the remote are for increasing and decreasing brightness, increasing and decreasing frequency and speed. So like the strobe or the fading effect. Cool, okay. Oh, that's got some weight to it. All right, there we go. Look at this thing. It's kind of beastly. I would say it's like 5 pounds maybe-ish, maybe 6. Now on the back, you've got the radiator. They do say that it has really good cooling, so it's been rated at 50,000 hours of use. So you got the mount rack, and it's metal. This is all plastic. These are big old mounting screws, very heavy duty. So if you want to actually mount this, say like on a floodlight pole or something like that, that's what this is for, so you can mount it. I do not want to blind myself, so we're just gonna look at, oh, there you go. Oh yeah, look at that, okay. All right, so you can see all the LEDs are lit up right now. Well, I don't know if you guys can see it. I can barely see it, but let's see what happens. Ooh, look at that. That's all the way dimmed down. All right, I'm gonna turn it all the way up. Oh my goodness, that is super bright. Oh, okay, that's awesome. Green, red, they call that white. Strobe, whoa. Not really speeding up, what's M1? Whoa. Okay, all right, then we got at the bottom all the different colors so you can go through the, oh yeah, that's freaking awesome. Oh, I like this. I really like this. This could come in really handy for me. Ah! Let's try strobe. Let's speed it up. How fast does it go? Oh, not very fast at all, actually. Okay, what about flash? Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. There it is. Oh my goodness, it's so bright. And I'm not looking directly at it. This is insane. I'm gonna go blind from this. Okay, so here's an example. So like say you wanna use it in say a studio setting. Are these getting hot? They're not even hot yet. Wow. So now, let's crank that up. Oh, see, look at that. Blue. I said blue. Blue. Hey, that doesn't look bad. There we go. Oh, see, gives you a little bit of depth. Check that out. Oh yeah, I'm liking this. All right, so just for fun, okay, so I got a blue light bulb and it's like right below the table, and then a red one over there. Now I'm gonna have this setting up beside me. It's behind me and I'm just gonna face it in that direction. All right, let's turn that on. Boop. That's way better than some light bulbs. Holy cow, let's go blue. There it is. There's dimmed all the way down. Let's turn it on and off. See the difference? Look at that, that's all the way dimmed down. That's it. Let's go outside. It's nighttime. I'm gonna go outside. Let's see how bright this thing really is. Let's go. Okay, so we're in my backyard and I've got a basic light bulb lighting up my little patio. It's not much of a patio, but that's about as far as reach as it gets. For the sake of just testing this out, how bright it is, I just have it set in there. But yeah, let's turn this on and see how it looks. Ready? Oh, there we go. It wasn't even, oh my god. You wanna have a little yard party? Turn the whole yard blue? There we go. Epileptic seizure incoming. Look at that. That is insane. People are gonna think the cops are here. All right, that's amazing. Let's go back in the studio. All right, wow. Okay, so I know maybe some of you are thinking, hey Matt, don't you think this is a little overkill for a studio lighting? Absolutely, and that's why it's fantastic for it. I'd rather be in a situation where I have more than what I need than not enough. You know what I mean? Not only will it do a great job being a floodlight, because it's waterproof and it's super bright, but what if you want to throw a yard party? This is perfect. You don't have to get any other kind of special lighting out or anything like that. This is all you need. I'm actually really impressed. To be honest, I've never been super familiar with SANSI lights. I've kind of always had my doubts, but now I'm actually getting my hands on one, and the quality of it is really good. It feels very sturdy. It's, again, IP66 rated, so these are made to be outside in the weather. Check this out. This is pretty good, and I gotta say, for 80 bucks, I think that's a pretty good deal, plus 20% off. So there you go. I highly suggest it. I don't see anything wrong with it whatsoever. It delivers on what they say, what they advertise. It delivers, and it does a great job doing it. All right, guys, so that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here. I do not want to blind myself, so we're just gonna look at, oh, whoa, okay. Can we dim it? Can you, can we push it off? Is there batteries? There's no batteries. Ah, stop. Let's dim this down just for the purpose of, can we dim down? Not when you're in a mode? Fade, okay. Can I dim it down? Let me dim it down. Smooth? Holy navy, orchid, indigo, cyan, aqua, lime, gold, coral, orange, yellow, pink, purple. That's a lot of colors. It's a lot of colors. Man, that's so bright. Just turn off. One of them is plenty enough to light up a backyard.